Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking all things Halara again. They have really upped their dress game and I'm so excited to share some of the new stuff that I've gotten from them with you today. I am so proud to say that today's video is sponsored by Halara, and all of the items that I show you today will be linked in the description box below, along with my coupon code, which is BeckyM2. That'll be, you can get 15% off any full priced item on their website. But I'll leave all that in the description box below. But I am so excited to share with you dresses first, because they have their dress game, I'm telling you, is so good. So what I have on now is the U-neck backless split flowing maxi casual tank dress. That's the full name of it. This color is called Deep Tea Brown Floral Yarn. This is a size small, and it is so cute. So let me show you the top first. The tank fits like a glove. It's the small for me, fits perfectly. Their sizing, true to size. The fabric though is really comfortable. It's nice and flowy. It's a cotton. It does have this really cool detail here, which is very flattering. It's almost like an A-line, but not quite. But it hits right down at your hips here where the seam hits. And then it's got this beautiful slit. Now it is a little on the sexy side. I'm gonna show you the whole thing. I mean, it slits up to almost my hip bone. This would make a great cover up, just going out to the beach if you want to get some airflow, because you can see as I walk around, it really doesn't open. Now, if there was a strong gust of wind or something like that, you can, honestly, you can wear this either way. Like, there's no front or back, so if you wanted the slit to go the other direction, I feel like the slits should go this way, so as I'm walking, it doesn't. Let me tilt you down a little bit so you can see the whole thing. There. Now you can see the whole thing. So you can see it's floor length, and I think it looks super cute with these flip-flops, but I love how flowy it is. And if you can see when I walk, it just gives that little sexy nod, but know that it does come up pretty high. Like, there's my hip bone and there's the slit. But I love this color. It's so cute. You can see it does really well along, like the tank fits perfect, and this is the back. So it looks the same in the front and the back. So you could basically wear it, I mean, either way. But I got in this color, and let me show you the black one. This is the black one. And another thing I love about this is if you were to wear this to the beach, you can step into this. There's no zippers, there's no fuss, there's no, clips or hooks or anything. It's just one big flowy piece. You can step into this on the beach, because there's nothing worse than being at the beach in your bathing suit and you're trying to mess with all this fabric and get it over your head, and you're sweaty and you're sandy. You can just step into this like a pair of shorts, pull it on, and you look cute. You can go to a restaurant. I mean, you could dress this one up too. Let me throw on these heels really quick. But I mean, check it out. You could put on some heels with this too, and a little cute bag, and you're ready to go. You're ready to go out. So very versatile, very flowy. This is the same as that other one, the U-neck backless split flowy casual tank dress. Again, I got these in a size small. I got that. This is the black, lovely slit. I really like this. And these are fun just for hanging around the house or wearing as a bathing suit cover up. Or like I said, you could throw on some heels and really make an outfit out of it. Next dress I have to show you is called the Softlyzero Airy Square Neck Backless Corset Ruched Split Bodycon Midi Cool Touch Bridesmaid Wedding or Wedding Guest Dress. I got the size small, and it is obviously black, but they do have multiple other colors. One of the great things about Halara is they do have amazing depth and breadth in sizes. You can get XX small to 4X. So they cover all the bases. I wanted to tell you a little bit too about Halara's brand philosophy, which I think really speaks to their brand and why I enjoy wearing their items so much. They say they are made for what moves you. The Halara woman embraces authenticity, moves boldly through life. She lives on her own terms, carrying a sense of joy and playfulness in her style. She's confident, laid back, and joyfully expressive. And I love that Halara just wants women and encourages women to express their authenticity. That is why I really am so proud to be having this video. That's why I'm so proud that Halara is sponsoring this video, because I just love their message. So take a look at their website. Also join the Halara Circle. I'll tell you a little bit more about that towards the end too, but if you go to the Halara website, you can join the Halara Circle. They really value feedback from you, their customer, and their peers. So yeah, join the Halara Circle. I'll leave the link to join the circle in my description box below. This dress, let me tell you, it's something. It's sexy, it's playful, it's not easy to get into, but it's really cute. So look at the detail on the ruching. Now my girls are a little high. I don't really like them to be that pushed up, but it does have a little built-in bra, and it does have like padding in it that you can remove. If you don't want the padding, you can take it out, which is a great option. But it does have it in there if you so choose to have it on. I love the straps here. So if you did want to wear a bra underneath it, you could, because the straps are substantial enough. I don't think you need it. I don't think you need to wear a bra, but if that's something that you chose. I'm just wearing these with flip-flops today because I live in Florida. It's 1,000,000 degrees. Pretty much everywhere I go is casual time. But you could really dress this up like I did with that other dress, with a pair of like sexy heels or something like that. This is definitely a go out dress, or you can dress it down like I have right now. It does have this beautiful slit. I love the ruching here, and I love this slit. It really makes it nice and sexy. And I have worn it with flip-flops here, as you can see, but this is really flattering for all body types, the ruching here. There's a seam right here that's kind of hitting me funny, so I'm not entirely sure what that is all about. I'm looking in the mirror. I have a mirror right here, but it was very flattering, and it's a midi length, so it's a perfect length. And this is the back, so it does have the square back too. And it's just, there's no ruching or anything in the back, it's just a straight back. But this detail here, I can get a little closer. So you can see this ribbing and then the ruching on the side. Super cute, love it. Super cute, love this. Comes in a lot of different colors, like I said, and it does have, it does come in multiple colors and definitely a breadth of sizes. Next up, I got a few more of these workout tank tops. They are so good. I showed them to you in my last Halara haul, and I love them so much that I got another black one and 2 white ones. I was trying to put on the white one to show you, and your girl wears too much makeup, so I ended up getting makeup all over it, but I didn't get it on the black one, or at least you can't see it. So, but it comes right to the waist here, which I really love, and it's like, because it's like the perfect length. And then pair them with these work pants. These are waffle pants. These pants are so comfy. You could wear them to work, you could wear them out, you could wear them lounging around. I love that they have pockets. It's got little pleats here, which are very flattering, a nice wide waistband. This is the color Satellite, I believe, and I did get a small regular because you can get them in different lengths. So this is hitting me pretty perfect. I like them to puddle on the ground like this, especially with flip-flops. Like, I would totally wear this outfit to the grocery store or Target, or just kind of running around or hanging around the house. I think this is just a great outfit. And again, I love these tops, these workout tops. They feel, you feel very secure. And like if you were working out or running or walking or bending over, chasing kids, anything like that, I feel very secure in this, but not like constricted, if that makes sense. So love these pants. They're a little bit loose on me, so I could maybe go extra small, but I kind of like them to be a little bit loose and flowy and stuff. But I do also love that it has pockets. Next up, I have on these crossover shorts. These are the 4-inch white shorts. They are super cute. They are the perfect length. I love the crisscross detail on the belly, so it makes you look like you have a flat tummy. It's kind of like an optical illusion, right? It does have pockets, which I absolutely love. These, I mean, your phone might fall out of it. Let's try it with my phone. Let's see. I mean, it fits my phone, so if I'm going walking, for sure, I mean, this I'd probably take off. But in a pinch, the pocket works. It does have the shorts underneath and a little pocket here, but I think it's too small. Oh, I guess my phone will fit. Look at that. Look at that. My phone fits in there, and I have a 16 Pro Max, and it fits in that little pocket. That's impressive. I'm impressed, Halara. I love this crossover detail. Let me tell you the exact name of these shorts. Okay, so these are the high-waisted, Breezeful high-waisted crossover side pocket 2-in-1 quick dry yoga shorts. The 4 inches, like I said. These are awesome. Super comfy. I mean, nothing's moving around. You can do all of your squats. These are great, and I love these little side pockets. Like, that is so fun. It goes cute with this, but you could even pair this with a nice little flowy shirt with a pair of heels. You don't have to work out in these. They're super cute. Obsessed. I'm obsessed with this skirt. This is a 2-in-1 golf skirt. Oh my gosh. If you guys watch my last Halara haul, I got a little corduroy mini. It's just like that, but it's got this great fabric that's super stretchy. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest. It's the greatest length because you know it passes my fingertip test.